Now we will look at the report filters in more detail. First, you can select the area of interest using this sliding button or these arrows. Then you can select the trade flow of interest, and then the measures. The reported weight and nominal value are those as reported by the HMRC. The live weight has been calculated by applying UMO for weightings, and the real value is calculated using deflators to account for inflation. This better represents value change over a selected time series. Now you can select the species groups of interest by clicking on this drop-down arrow. You can either type in the name here or tick on the relevant groups and then click Apply. If you'd like to look at a specific species, click on this drop-down arrow. Again, simply type in the name here, tick against their name and click Apply. For a specific format of presentation, click here, then simply type in this window, click on the box and hit Apply. Click here to filter the data by type of preservation used. Simply type in this box, tick against the relevant method and then select Apply. The data can be filtered by country by clicking here. The same process can be followed by country, typing in the name, ticking against the box, and then hitting Apply. Once you have made all your selections, the right-hand side is updated automatically until you click Clear Filters.